transforming radical functions. This is going to look familiar. You guys have seen this before, only not with square roots. Okay, so we wanted to describe the transformation of f. So f has been transformed into g. And then they want us to graph each function. All right, so here's the square root of x. That's f, and this is what happened to it. So what we've got here, since this is all under the radical sign, okay, this shifted to the right 3 units, right? X minus 3, so it means it went to the right. And then I've got this straggler hanging on the end, so it means it shifted up 4 units. Okay, hopefully you remember those. So that's that one. And this is what it looks like when it's graphed. I'm not going to graph it, but here is y equals the square root of x, and this is what it looks like after it's been shifted to the right 3 and it goes up 4. So it's just the same thing, it just moves. All right, this is the last one. I'm hoping this section will be a little bit easier because I know I've been given a lot of homework and stuff, so hoping this will be a little bit easier. All right, let G be a translation 1 unit down and 5 units to the right, and then we want to reflect it over the x-axis. So there's 3 different things we're going to be doing here. Don't let this scare you. All right, we're really just focused in on this x right now and the function. So let G be a translation 1 unit down. Let's do that one first. So that just means I'm going to take my function and I am going to move it down 1. Well, and I've got a fraction here, so 1 is the same thing as 2 over 2. So I'm going to rewrite this. This is negative 1/2 times the 4th root of x plus 1/2. Okay, so I did this. I did the 1 unit down. Now I need to move it 5 units to the right. And remember, that stays. It's when we're doing horizontal translations, x minus h takes the place of the x. So if I'm going 5 units to the right, that's going to be x minus 5. So I have negative 1/2 cube root of x minus 5 plus 1/2. Now they probably don't put in parentheses. I just did that so that you could kind of see. And then finally, so we did that one. Finally, they want us to reflect it over the x-axis. So we're going to multiply the whole function by a negative. So if I multiply it by a negative, this becomes a positive. So I have positive 1/2 4th root of x minus 5, and then this negative pertains to this, or affects this one. So then I have minus 1/2. And that would be the answer to this one. So it started with this, I transformed it in 3 different ways, and I ended up with this. And that's what I have. That's what I've got. And I decided to put another picture of a radical. He was considered radical for his time too. Much more serious, I guess, than using the clash, but he's definitely was a radical during his time. So here's the problems. If you have any questions, let me know.